Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Devin Nicole, and today we are going to go from black to orange. So I'm just scooping in 3 scoops of my Kaleidoscope's bleach, and then I'm just using 30 volume developer, and I'm just going to stir that in my mixing bowl, and I'm just using my applicator brush to go ahead and stir that around. Initially when this was my first batch, I think I used probably 2 of these bowls worth of bleach. I did eventually make it a little bit thinner just by adding more developer to kind of help stretch the bleach as well. So I'm just going to mix that all up, and then I'm going to just apply it to the hair. And I'm just making sure I get that consistency right. So you guys, I really like this Kaleidoscopes. It's for on dark hair only, to go from black to light brown. But I actually was able to get it to go blonde, and I'll show you guys how I did that. I'm also gonna add in my Ardell Plus drops. This just helps take the orange brassiness out the hair when you bleach it. It probably wouldn't have made a difference since I'm going to orange, but I just put it in there just because I want it to look more orange than, I guess, like brassy, if that makes sense. And plus I didn't want the knots to look brassy either. So I have the hair just sectioned into 4 parts, and I'm just gonna go into each section. And because this hair is thick, this is HairVivi. This is their 14-inch Afro Lista wig. I did a review on it before, and there's my daughter in the video. But I did a review on this hair before, kind of like a unboxing and a how-to tutorial, and I'll make sure I link that for you guys below. But I'm just going in. This hair is a kinky texture, so you are going to want to take thin strips of this to make sure you get the hair completely coated and bleached, to make sure you don't have any black spots left. So I am going to go in with thin pieces and just apply that bleach from root to tip. Okay, so after I've covered the hair in bleach, I'm just going to put on a plastic shower cap and let this hair process with heat for 20 minutes under my hooded dryer, and then I let it process for another 45 minutes without heat. So this is the hair after I've already washed the bleach all out. So now I'm just going in with my Cajun spice from Adore, and I'm gonna go in and put that I'm gonna put 2 bottles of the watercolor of the color in my water. I'm sorry, you guys. And this water isn't super hot, but it is definitely warm. It's not boiling, but it is warm. So I'm just gonna put 2 of those bottles and just stir the hair color around with my comb to make sure I break up all those chunks. And then I'm just going to watercolor this hair, you guys. And the color turned out beautiful. This was my first time ever, honestly, ever seeing someone do watercolor with hair that has been bleached. Usually when you see someone do watercolor, it's with 613 hair. But I just wanted to try something different. When you bleach the hair, you create your own highlights. If I was to use 613 hair, it will all be one shade of orange. So I'm really glad that I did this because I was able to get those low lights, those highlights, and honestly it just came out so beautiful. So after I've already watercolored the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some silicone mix on it, and I'm going to let it deep condition for an hour in my hooded dryer. I wrapped it up in a shower cap and just let it deep condition. I had to put that moisture back in the hair because it was extremely dry after bleaching it. So then I let it go ahead and I let it air dry to about 80% on my mannequin head, and then I just went in with a blow dryer and blow dried it the rest to make sure it was completely dry. And so that's just what I'm doing here. So now that I have the hair dry, I'm just going to go in with my brand new Kaposi Professional Salon Tools flat iron, you guys. This flat iron is so bomb. I got it off of Amazon. It was really inexpensive, you guys. It has nano titanium plates. It heats up in 30 seconds, first of all. It has a safety lock. It also has a LCD digital screen display, which I really, really like, so you know what you're actually flat ironing your hair on, so that you can prevent burning your hair. And then it also gets up to 450 degrees. So if you guys are looking for a really inexpensive but good quality flat iron, I will link it below because this flat iron is really, really good. It is now a staple amongst my hair tools that I use, you guys. Okay, so I'm just taking small sections, like I said, because this hair is kinky texture. I do have to take small sections to go ahead and make sure I'm getting it completely straight. And then after I've straightened the whole head, I'm going to go in with my Kaposi flat iron, and I'm just going to put some curls in it. If you guys want to see how I truly styled this hair, how I laid it, how I glued it to my head, how did I get my baby hair like that, please be sure to watch my HairVivi review video that will be coming up shortly. It'll be posted after this video, and it is featuring the Bougie Lash Vault. So if you guys want to see exactly how I wore this hair, I will make sure that I link that video to this video so that you guys can see. I just want to show you guys how I actually was able to get that color by using the Kaleidoscope's bleach, and show you guys that you're able to do watercolor on bleached hair. You don't have to just use 613. So if you guys have any comments or questions or anything, please leave them below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the support I have been getting with this YouTube channel, you guys. It honestly means the world to me that you guys think enough of me to subscribe, to actually watch my videos, to actually share them. So you guys, I'm just so thankful. So to all my subscribers, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you will click the button below and become one so you can become part of the gang. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.